Hello everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you one of the new Christmas Village pieces that I picked up. This one is from Canadian Tire, so I live in Canada. And this is from a company named For Living. It's the Christmas Village Popcorn Factory. And it plugs in, lights up, moves, and plays 8 classic Christmas songs. So you can have it playing with or without music. Here is the box. So this gives you an idea of what it looks like. Top of the box is nothing very different, but the back has more information. So lights up with 20 multicolored LEDs, moves and plays 8 classic Christmas songs. Enjoy lights and popcorn pops with or without music. 3-way switch to alternate between music and lights on and off. 6-foot cord, 4.5 volt DC adapter included. Here are the measurements of the item. Dimensions. Okay, and that's it for the box. So I've already taken the piece out of the box. I've already taken out the adapter. And here it is right here. So it's a hand painted piece. This is the popping tower, the top. The popcorn, that piece actually spins around. So that's one of the moving pieces. And the other moving parts would be these little yellow and white balls. Just jump up and down, I guess, from a air machine that's inside of the plastic housing there. Okay, so that's the side of it. Other side has a tree, window, and the back. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So I would just show you quickly here what it looks like with the lights on. Okay, so you can see. So you got different colored lights, which make the piece look really nice when it's illuminated in the dark. And that's pretty much it. Now I can take off the sounds and just have it work with just the lights on. Okay, so this makes like a little hissing noise. There's no way to turn that off. So this will go to my collection that I have in my Christmas Tree Village. And again, this one is from For Living. I purchased it at my local Canadian Tire. Since I live in Canada, I guess the Canadian residents would be able to find this. I believe Limax also makes a version of the popcorn popping tower village, so you might be able to find it through the Limax website. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you liked the video. Please hit the like and subscribe.